Okay, y'all, today I'm taking on a challenge. Can I do it? I have no idea. Am I excited? Oh yes. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. So, Mama Kayla put it out there in the yarn world. Can anybody crochet with just 2 thumbs? I love a good challenge, and I think it's possible. We know it is, because that's basically what Kayla does. Mama Kayla, if you don't know, is amazing, and she is a wonderful art tuber. She does all kinds of art on her channel. You should go there and support her. But she does mainly crochet. She loves to crochet. It's one of her passions. And she has had several surgeries where unfortunately her fingers have had to be removed. And she just keeps crocheting. Every time she loses a finger, she just adapts. It's incredible. And she just keeps proving over and over, when God closes a door, he opens a window. It's incredible, and I'm so impressed. One of the reasons to watch her channel is just to be in awe of what she can do. She is one of the reasons I started my channel. I saw people like Mama Kayla, Crystal at Chronically Crocheting, and Jennifer at Cinnamon Stitches. They all have limitations in their own way. Some of them are spoonies, and they can do these amazing things and share them with the world. I love that, because not only do you get to see the amazing things, but if you are somebody who struggles with something, you feel seen and heard and like, oh my gosh, somebody gets it. And believe me, that's an amazing feeling. I hope that I do that for some of you. That is kind of why I started my channel. And I really wanted to have fun and show people who actually cared about what stuff I make. Don't get me wrong. My parents care. My parents are impressed. But they know nothing about the art world. So it's nice to share it with people who also craft. Today, we are taking on Mama Kayla's 2-thumb challenge. Can I crochet with just 2 thumbs? I think yes. Let's go find out. So I've got my crochet hook. I picked one with a rubber handle so it'll stick to my pants. Yes, you guys have never seen my legs. Yeah. See, I've heard of this trick. I just don't know if it works. So I've got 2 thumbs. All right. First, I gotta make a slip knot. There. And pull. Okay. I'm trying to remember how this goes. I think you wrap it like this, and then make sure you only bring this part over, and okay. Wait, I think I gotta go like that. Does it look right? Maybe it's... I feel like I'm doing something right, but I'm not sure. Hold on, I gotta move the thing. Okay. I mean, it's a wonky chain, but it's a chain, right? I'm sure this technique just takes practice. Come on. Okay, how'd those look? Oh, those look better. Okay, so you go like this. Hey! Whoop. I got too confident. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to pick up my hook and go to the table. Okay, so first let's look at our chain here. Okay, this part is really bad. But I got the hang of it after a while. I think it looks okay. All right, now let's be strategic. How are we going to make stitches? I've got two thumbs, but I do love a good puzzle. So let's see. I obviously have to hold the hook in one. Okay. And the yarn, maybe I can use my wrist to kind of hold it like that. Oh wait, maybe I can hold this and still push. And I'm trying to make a half double because I actually think that'll be easier. So I'm trying to go in the third chain. There we go. And come on. Come on. Not. Oh, yeah, I did it. Okay. And maybe if I do that. Oops, sorry. Okay. Darn. I lost it. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me think about this. I have a brain, I can think. It needs tension. Oh my gosh, that's it. Okay. I can use my tail and I'll use the base of my camera stand. So somebody else can use like books or, I don't know, a tape dispenser, something that's heavy. And now you have tension. That should work, okay? All right, so now we have something holding the yarn for the starting chain. Now I need to figure out how to hold it just right so that I can make a stitch. And I'm using my entire arm to do this. Okay. And I did it! Now can I do it again? Wrap and go through the stitch and hold and wrap and come on. Under. Aha! 2 stitches! Are they even? No. But did I do them? Yes. Okay. Let's see, is there a way to make this even better? If something was holding this up, kind of like when you have a yarn winder and it has that arm that holds your yarn up for you while you wind it. That makes sense to me. If you have something to hold the yarn up, well, I do have a lamp stand in front of me. One of those bendy ones. If I had something to hold the yarn up. Well, so I've got tension here. I need to keep tension here, but I have to be able to get my hook through. Let me think. Okay, I think I have an idea. I'm gonna grab it like this. I'm gonna grab it like this. Okay, so I'm holding it like that. And got my other thumb. I'm gonna wrap it like that. Too far away. Grab it closer. 3, I think. Come on, 1, 2, 1. Well, I had it a second ago. 2. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wrap. Go through the stitch. Come on. Here we go. Wrap and go through. Now let's try and make a double. Just because. Okay, so that means I have to go through 2 loops. Okay, so I gotta go through 2 loops. Oh no, it's too tight. It won't go through. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. And again. Now I can use the tension from the stand. Well, it's a little squatty, but it is a double crochet. Kind of stretched out my chain too. See, normally when I crochet, you know, I'm holding something here, I'm holding something here, and I'm holding something here. So my guess is there would need to be tension points here, here, and here. How do we achieve this? What if I put a heavy stitch marker on this side? But can I do that with 2 thumbs? Maybe. Do I have a study? Do I even have a heavy stitch marker? I don't know. But I bet that would work. If you could attach a heavy stitch marker in the corner, it would weigh it down on this side, and so you'd have tension here, something to hold down your chain here, and all you have left is this tension, which maybe you can do yourself, like with your hands. I may not even put this video out until I have talked to my parents, who are both science people, and maybe they could help me figure out something different. But, I mean, it is possible. It is possible. And Kayla, if you're watching this, of all people in the world, if anyone can crochet with 2 thumbs, it's you. So I'm going to think on this some more, and I'm going to talk to some science people, and we will see what the rest of this video brings. But I'm very intrigued at this puzzle. But at the very least, we know that if you put this between your legs, if you put the hook between your legs, hold it, and wrap it a certain way, you can create a chain. It just takes some practice. I don't know where the rest of the footage is. I'm so sorry. The footage is gone. I tried some different things and the footage is gone. So I'm so sorry you guys didn't get to see like my results from the 2 thumb challenge, but as you can see, it is possible. And we already know that because Llama Mama Kayla is amazing and everything she makes is incredible, and I can't believe she can do what she can do. I mean, look at this woman go. The other day she made a hat. with 3 fingers. Y'all. If you don't follow Llama Mama Kayla, you need to. First, we just need to support her because she's amazing. And second, she's amazing. You should see what she makes. It's incredible. I'm so proud of her. Love her to death. Mama Kayla, you mean so much to me. You are actually one of the reasons I even started my channel. It was one of those moments where it's like, if she can do it, I can do it, kind of thing. So thank you so much. We love you, Mama Kayla, so much. Thank you so much for watching today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too, even with 2 thumbs. Bye.